If you're a restaurant owner, what's inside this box is going to interest you. Wow. Take a look at this. If you're a restaurateur, you just met your best friend. We used to use ground tuna all the time. But this is actual back-of-frost salmon, the meat scraped from the bones. And let me tell you what, you guys can make so many delicious things with this. Hiro-san, I wish we had this, right? Back in the day, the Novi days. But we didn't. We're gonna show you how to make this become your best friend. Not only hand rolls or regular spicy salmon rolls, you guys could do so much, right? What are the things you're gonna make with this?
You can do the salmon tartar.
Right.
And of course rolled sushi, yes. And some of it I can do the... Actually, this one you can bake it too. Right?
Okay.
So we can do the onigiri stuff and everything.
How about dynamite? Maybe you can do dynamite, right?
So
oh my goodness.
Whatever salmon, category, you can do it.
Right. You guys got to look for it. Again, this is really made for the restaurants out there. Really priced extremely well. A huge profit maker. Look for it from the back-of-frost dealer.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chef Hiro, and here's Chef Mike. Thank you for being my YouTube channel. Today, we have a great announcement.
Absolutely. We are happy to announce Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef will be doing consulting for professional restaurants. Whether you've been in business for 10 years or just starting your brand, we want to be a resource for you, utilizing the 30 years from Chef Hiro-san, 20 years from myself, working in this industry, as well as through the channel with branding, content development, social media and advertising, down to recipe developments and standards and procedures. We want to be a resource for you wherever you may be in your business and for your team. We look forward to hearing back from you. If you'd like to reach out in regards to this, please check out the link below or shoot us an email.
All right, Hiro-san.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Back in the studio and take a look at this. Completely defrosted. Here, you want to hold it up? Just show everyone what this is.
The salmon rib meat.
Salmon rib meat scraped directly from the salmon bones.
Yes.
Beautiful back-of-frost salmon, as you already know. And again, we talked about this before. What a great product that you guys in a restaurant industry can utilize, whether it's a high-end or buffet restaurant, whatever the case may be. Great for making like anything, right? Like you're going to show today.
Yeah, since restaurant in Miami, rolled sushi, spicy tuna, and spicy salmon is very popular, right? So a lot of restaurants using the grind tuna meat for this spicy one, but instead this one salmon grind meat is so perfect product.
And you tried it in Boston, in the Boston Seafood Show.
And then Boston Seafood Show, I use this one for the spicy salmon hand roll. Yes.
It was super popular. Okay, here's one. Now that it's defrosted in the fridge, let's show everyone the process.
The first thing, I open up the package and then I need to take off the little bit of water out.
Okay.
First. Yes.
All right, let's go right into it. By the way, you can find this right on their website, backofrostshop.com. It's available there. If you're in the restaurant industry, contact your local back-of-frost dealer. See how you can get this product. All raw, rib meat. There's no preservatives, no additives, nothing.
First, I'm going to take off some water to drain out. Okay, I use the paper towel and some meats. So this recipe, this is much enough.
Okay.
Yeah. So this
the rest of this, what you can do is, what we're going to do later is just put it in a Ziploc bag.
Yes.
Back in the portion, and then save it for another day. Just keep it frozen. You have to take a lot of the water out, use another paper towel, just pat it dry, take even more moisture out. I see it comes frozen, so there's going to be some water content in there.
I'm going to make a salmon tartar.
Salmon tartar. Okay, wonderful.
Yes. So of course this is a rib meat. This is the main ingredient. Then I'm going to use cucumber, red onion, avocado, little bit of fresh wasabi, and masago.
Okay.
And salt and pepper, yuzu juice, and olive oil.
Okay.
Very simple.
Very nice. All right, let's begin.
Let's start. First thing, I want to do a little more smaller. Red onion. Okay, so salmon, I'm gonna add to the another ingredients, cucumber and the onion. Mix it up. Then first salt and pepper. Olive oil. And mix first. Today I'm going to use yuzu. Perfecto.
Perfecto. Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful avocado. Avocado. Give it the masala.
All right, take a look at the finished product. Salmon tartare made from Baker Frost rib meat. So easy to do. Hairsign looks delicious. Can't wait to try it. You guys own a restaurant. If not, if you want to make this at home, very simple to do again. And it is such a great price. Check it out. BakerFrostShop.com. Hairsign, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you very much.
All right, I am so excited to try this. Hiro, let's dig in, huh?
Sure.
Okay. Big spoon, big bite.
Sure. Okay. Put a little wasabi.
Oh yeah, look at the wasabi, right? Enjoy.
I can add a little more salt. Well, not bad.
Very flavorful. I like the contrast of avocado and cucumber. One is crunchy, one is very smooth. Different taste. But the salmon is very, very good. I like it again with the red onion that you have in there. Like Hiro mentioned earlier, you could put balsamic vinegar, maybe even ponzu, right?
Ponzu, yeah.
Try this again. Well, I'll take a look at it though.
Very simple.
Very good
recipe.
Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Stay tuned for more recipes using this Baker Frost rib meat.